Is coding dead in 2025? With AI solving complex projects and problems in just seconds, tasks that used to take developers 2 or even 3 weeks, it's a question that's popping up everywhere. And yeah, it sounds terrifying, right? Like, the machines have finally taken over.
Here they come.
But here's the truth. No, AI is not replacing programmers.
Nice.
Let's not forget, AI itself was built by programmers. It didn't just appear out of thin air. It was coded, tested, refined, and trained by developers, people like you. The role of the programmer isn't dying, it's evolving. Yes, AI can write code. It can fix bugs. It can even generate entire projects. But without a real understanding of programming fundamentals, without logic, architecture, and problem solving, all you're doing is pushing buttons and hoping it works. And that's not real development. This is why mastering the basics still matters. Data structures, algorithms, clean code, system design. The stronger your foundation, the more powerfully you can use AI, not as a crutch, but as a tool. Because if you don't know what you're doing, you will be replaced. But if you do, you'll be unstoppable. Don't treat AI like a shortcut just to fix your errors. Don't use it to spit out dummy code for problems you don't understand. That's not innovation. That's dependency. Use AI to your advantage, to accelerate ideas, to prototype faster, to explore deeper. Let it assist you. Don't let it replace your knowledge. In this AI revolution, the winners will be the ones who understand the tech deeply and use that knowledge to build something meaningful. So no, coding isn't dead, but lazy coding might be.